Have you ever just stopped and really thought about what's going on inside your body, like right now? It's this invisible, totally wild dance happening at a microscopic level. Well, today, we're going to pull back that curtain and get right into the molecular foundations of metabolism.
I mean, think about it. Right at this moment, your body is juggling a million tasks. You're breathing, your heart's beating, you're digesting your last meal, and you're not even thinking about any of it. It all just works. So the big question is, how?
It's so easy to take all of this for granted, right? We just kind of expect our bodies to handle all the complicated logistics in the background, so let's do it. Let's pop the hood and see what's really making this incredible machine run.
So, this whole autopilot feeling, it's not magic, not at all. It's actually a sign that your body is a super healthy, well-oiled machine. When everything is running this smoothly, it's because all the different parts are just clicking. They're working together perfectly.
And that really gets to the heart of it. See, health isn't just about your heart or your lungs or your stomach. It's all about teamwork, a huge, coordinated effort with one single mission, to make sure every single one of your trillions of cells gets exactly what it needs to thrive.
Okay, so let's zoom way in, down to the microscopic level. Imagine your body is this massive, bustling city. Well, your cells, they're the citizens living in that city. And just like any of us, they need stuff delivered constantly, the essentials to survive and get their work done.
And this whole supply chain, this delivery network, it all runs on one key process, metabolism. Really, it's just the amazing way our bodies take tiny little molecules and turn them into energy so we can move, and into building blocks so we can grow. It is, quite literally, the engine that powers all of life.
So what's on the shopping list for these cells? What do they absolutely need? First up, oxygen. It's this crucial molecule that, lucky for us, is all around in the air. Every single breath you take is basically a special delivery of oxygen that your cells use to unleash energy.
All right, next on the list, your cells need fuel. And their favorite kind of fuel is glucose. It's a type of sugar molecule that our body gets by breaking down the food we eat. Things like fruits, veggies, and grains. Yeah, you can think of it like high-performance gasoline for those little cellular engines.
And last but not least, we need building materials. I'm talking about amino acids. These are the little Lego bricks that build proteins. And proteins, they do pretty much everything, from building your muscles to fighting off germs. We get these guys from foods packed with protein, like beans, meat, and eggs.
So there you have it, the big three: oxygen, glucose, and amino acids. That's the must-have shopping list for every single cell in your body. If you miss any one of those three, well, the whole system just grinds to a halt.
Okay, so we know what our cells need. But how do we get that stuff from the outside world all the way to trillions of tiny individual cells? Well, you need a seriously specialized delivery crew. And luckily, our body has an incredible one, made up of these big, powerful systems.
And when I say a system, what does that even mean? It's really just a bunch of different parts that all work together to get one big job done. And your body? It's basically a system made up of other systems. Pretty cool, huh?
All right, let's follow the package. Step 1, your respiratory system, we're talking your lungs, grabs the oxygen right out of the air. Step 2, your digestive system gets to work on your lunch, breaking it down into that glucose and those amino acids we talked about. And then, step 3, the circulatory system, your heart, your blood, all those vessels, is the superhighway, picking everything up and racing it out to every last cell in your body.
But here's the really amazing part. It's not like these systems are just doing their own thing side by side. No way. They're working together, like a perfectly timed orchestra, a symphony.
And that right there is the key takeaway. It's not just that these systems can work together. The thing is, in a healthy, functioning body, they absolutely have to. This teamwork, this collaboration, it's the very thing that makes life possible.
Let me put it this way. On its own, what do your lungs do? They just move air in and out. Kind of boring. But as part of the team, now they're providing essential oxygen for the blood to carry. Your stomach by itself, it just mashes up food. But on the team, it's providing fuel for the blood to deliver. All of a sudden, the bloodstream isn't just an empty road, it's a bustling delivery service that makes the work of all the other systems totally meaningful.
So when you think about it, your body's health really comes down to one thing: keeping that symphony playing in tune. That coordination, that cooperation, it is absolutely everything. And that's why, if you have a problem with just one of those systems, it can cause this huge ripple effect through your whole body. I mean, if the respiratory, digestive, or circulatory system starts to falter, the whole delivery chain breaks down. And the result is pretty straightforward. Your cells don't get what they need. They're basically starved, and they just can't do their jobs.
So think of it this way. Your body is a perfectly coordinated team. Every system is a player, and every cell is counting on them. The real question is, how are you going to support your players?